दोस्तों आज का वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है बिकॉज वी हैव ए न्यू बजट फोन फ्रॉम Infinix. It's their all new Hot 30i just launched in the Indian market and actually packs very impressive specs and features under 10,000 rupees. Main highlights are you're getting a 6.6 inch 90 Hz IPS display, octa-core CPU with up to 16 gigs of RAM and also like a dual AI 50 megapixel camera setup at the backside. So I'm like pretty excited to unbox and talk about this model. Hot 30i is available in like different configurations and two color variants also. We have the 8 plus 128 GB variant. As soon as you open it, there you go boys, our brand new phone from Infinix, the all new Hot 30i in mirror black color. It's also available in like a glacier blue as well. But boy, oh boy, look at that design. Beautiful, right? Along with that, you also get a 10-watt power adapter for charging and a Type-C cable for the power adapter. And not only that, brand is also giving you a free case for the phone. That is really appreciable, Infinix. This is your regular paperwork and stuff. Just make sure to read that. And talking about the case, quality of the case definitely looks nice. It's a silicone clear case, guys. So good thing you don't need to spend extra for accessories. So now let me give you like a closer look and talk about the design and build quality. Infinix Hot 30i is an entry-level affordable category phone, but nobody would say that looking at the design. I mean, look at this. You have a beautiful diamond pattern at the backside that gives it a premium look and feel. If you talk about the display, it comes with a 6.6 inch 720p HD plus 90 Hz refresh rate display with a teardrop notch and has like 5 megapixel camera at the top. One more thing if you've noticed is it comes with like a pre-applied layer of screen guard also. So both case and screen guard are coming out of the box. Now going to the side, here's how the side profile looks like. Complete flat body design, guys, and you also have like a side mounted fingerprint reader here. Volume rocker just above that. Quality of the buttons is also very good. There is nothing at the top, no secondary noise cancellation microphone it seems. And to the left you have your SIM card tray. It's your traditional triple card slot, supports 2 nano SIMs and 1 micro SD card. On the bottom you have your single down firing speaker, Type-C port is there for charging, your 3.5mm headphone jack is also there, and primary microphone. And here's how the back of the phone looks like. This is the main highlight of this phone, guys. I mean, the whole new design over here, they're calling it as a diamond pattern design and looks absolutely lovely. Doesn't look like a budget sort of phone at all, that is what I can say. The phone shimmers and shows lots of reflections in different angles, and you'll definitely like the whole look and feel. You have the Infinix branding over here, and at the top is where you have two huge camera bumps. You're getting like primary 50 megapixel AI camera followed by one more depth camera, I believe, and to the side you have like a dual LED flash. So that's it, our complete physical overview on the phone. And talking about the battery, you're getting like a 5000 milliampere battery built in and supports like 10 watts charging. That's it, these are all the specs and hardware. What I'll do is I'll quickly set up the phone, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue the video. So our phone is all set up and good to go, and before I actually power it on and talk about the display quality and mention all of its specs and highlights, let's quickly put this fingerprint reader to a test. You're getting a side mounted fingerprint scanner built into the power button itself. So yeah, let's check it out. Hey, not bad, right? You guys looking at that? Reaction time is also like on point. Very good, guys. Fingerprint reader was working very well and accurate almost 95% of the time. And there you go, boys. Here's how the display on the phone looks like. Initial impressions, display quality on the phone is like very impressive, guys, considering this budget price tag. Again, as I've told you, you're getting like a 6.6 inch HD resolution, IPS level 90 Hz display, and is like pretty much acceptable over here. Bezels are also like very thin. Let me just quickly open up a white page. There you go. Bezels are very slim on the sides and the top. On the bottom, you have a bit of chin, but again, hey, it's an affordable category phone, so this is like pretty much acceptable, I would say. And talking about the software, phone runs like Android version 12 out of the box and comes with Infinix X OS, which is like pretty much seen on all the Infinix phones. And if you talk about the version of that, that is like XOS 12, I believe, guys. And if you talk about the overall UI, here's how the UI and the whole skin looks like. Pretty much user friendly only, I would say. Only thing I have to mention is you do get some bloatware apps over here, guys, which you can disable, or some of them you can uninstall. So that is the only thing you'll have to keep in mind. Anyways, moving on to the settings, let me quickly show you the software info as well. As I've told you, it's running Android version 12 out of the box. And talking about the storage, this is the 8 plus 128 GB variant, right? So as you can see, 23 GB is like occupied over here, and out of the box you're getting 105 GB of usable space, which is like plenty. And not to worry, you can even expand the storage using a micro SD card up to 1 TB, guys, so more than enough. So what I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, play some videos over there, just check them out, and then we'll talk about the display and the sound quality on this phone. दोस्तों आज घर में एक मस्त गेमिंग लैपटॉप है Lenovo's all-new IdeaPad Gaming 3i series. You people know, right? Legion series is like their premium segment lineup, right? So IdeaPad is a bit more affordable and made for all the budget-friendly gamers out there. So this model now comes in so many specs and configurations. Literally, the pricing of this laptop starts at only around like 55,000 rupees in India and can go almost up to like 1.3, 1.4 lakh rupees. Okay, you guys saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, if you would ask me, first of all, you're getting a 6.6-inch HD plus IPS level display with up to 90Hz refresh rate. And for this price point, display quality is like very good, guys. That is what I can say. There's decent amount of detail, though I wish, it had like 1080p level resolution. But again, for this price point, you'll have to compromise something because you're getting 90Hz high refresh rate panel, right? So I would obviously choose like a higher refresh rate panel than 1080p level resolution, because for this size of 6.6 inches, there's not much of a difference. And talking about the colors were also good, accurate, on point, all thanks to that IPS level panel. Contrast levels are also nice and viewing angles are also good, again thanks to IPS panel only. And coming to the brightness of the panel is also like pretty decent. You can go almost up to like 450, 500 nits also, and I didn't have an issue checking out the phone's display even in like out of bright door situations also. So far now, I was like pretty happy and satisfied with the panel for this price point. And coming to sound quality was also like pretty decent. You're getting like a single down-firing speaker over here, but audio quality was nice, good clarity. Only thing I felt is, audio output could have been little bit more higher. Wait a second, I haven't told you about the performance, right? Infinix Hot 30i packs MediaTek's Helio G37 octa-core CPU and has like a decent level GPU only. For day-to-day sort of applications, day-to-day sort of usage, it's like more than enough. I've been using it for quite some time now. It was like performing well only, guys. I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters like opening and closing of apps, navigating through the UI, everything was like pretty much smooth only. But occasionally when there were like many apps open in the background, there I felt the UI was a bit sluggish. But apart from that, everything else was fine. And if you talk about the gaming level performance, yes, you can do a bit of gaming over here, but not intense level gaming, guys. You can play games like Asphalt 9 and casual games. PUBG is also playable, but at very low graphics settings. That is what I would advise, and you'll get around like 25-30 FPS on an average. For this price point, I felt the brand could have given at least like Helio G80 series would have been like really appreciable. That would have offered like a very decent PUBG gaming experience. But they had to compromise somewhere, because you're getting other good aspects now. You're getting like a 90Hz IPS display, up to 16 gigs of RAM, and also 50 megapixel dual AI camera. So they had to compromise and negotiate somewhere. But for day-to-day sort of usage, this CPU will definitely get your job done. So before we actually wrap up this session, let me also quickly open up the camera app and show you how the UI looks like. Pretty much same UI that you would see on Infinix phones. You're getting like AI camera over here, where you can toggle between both the 1x and 2x digital zoom factor, and it is capable of shooting pictures at 50 megapixel and videos up to like 1080p 30 level, guys. There is no 1080p 60 because it's an affordable category phone. So what I'll do is I'll just leave some sample photo samples and video samples over here. Just have a look at them, so you'll get an idea on the image quality and also the camera performance as well. Well, that is pretty much it. This was like our unboxing and initial impressions on Infinix brand new Hot 30i affordable category phone, guys. Like killer phone, I would say, under 10,000 rupees. You're getting great specs over here. A HD plus 6.6-inch IPS level 90Hz display. On top of that, a decent octa-core CPU with up to 16 gigs of RAM, 50 megapixel dual AI camera setup at the back, and all of these were like pretty much justifying the price tag. What do you people think? So introductory price offer of this phone was around like 8,999 rupees, and the later price might be slightly a bit higher. I'll keep you updated on the exact pricing details in the description box below. You can check it out there. So I'll be using this phone for a couple of days, and after that I'll be sharing my in-depth full review on the channel. In that review, we'll go in depth and talk about the display quality, camera quality, and also we'll check out the gaming performance with the thermal levels as well, and lastly cover the battery life as well. Apart from these, if you have any other questions, just let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely try to cover them in my second video. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to know a lot about this phone. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.